what's up guys, welcome to this video. So today I have an exciting unboxing today. It is for BabeBox. So BabeBox is a beauty subscription box for $29 a month, but you get your first month free, just pay shipping. So I think free, just pay shipping is a pretty good deal just to like try it out. So yeah, let's see what I got. Alright, so taking it out of the packaging, it looks like it matches the thing. So I think that's pretty cool branding and BabeBox. My first thought is that it's kind of light. It just doesn't feel like there's much in here, but you never know. So let's see what is inside. So on the box it says, discover the best of beauty. So it's pretty cute. Oh wow, this is kind of cute. Like when you open it, it like, I don't know. Hey there, babe. We're excited to share. Yeah, so this is BabeBox October 2019, and then it has all the stuff that's in here, but I'm not gonna look at that because we love surprises. So opening this up, it has this really pretty like confetti thing, but like honestly that's like a huge waste of paper. But aside from that part, we're looking at the first thing and it says Bang Beauty. So let's see what this is. It's a blush. Ooh. So I'm not sure if Bang Beauty is a brand, but I've never heard of it before. But then again, I don't know a lot of makeup brands, so this is pretty cool. Okay, so this is the blush. Ooh, you can see my camera. Yeah, it just like has a little mirror, and that's me. And this is the color. So it's probably not the color that I would go for blush. I think it is like very I don't know how to describe it. It's very coral. Like a loud coral. So yeah, oh, my camera's not on that side. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Probably not the color that I would go for a blush, but I think it would be kind of cool to try it out. So yeah. Alright, so the first thing is this Appeal holographic lip gloss. So I think this is pretty cool. I've never tried a holographic lip gloss. Is that just glittery lip gloss? Like I know like people always talk about like fake hollow. I'm pretty sure fake hollow would just be considered glitter. So let's try that. And let's use the mirror from the Babe blush because, you know, I don't have a mirror with me right now. So right away, like my lips feel like pretty soft. That's cute. It's a little shimmery. I have a Balm.com from Glossier that looks pretty similar. It's just like a little bit like sparkly and shimmery. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I think it's a really good lip gloss and I think I'll be using this, so yeah. Alright, so next is Dirty Little Secret. I wonder what it could be. So it's in color Rosy Posy. So let's see. Okay, so it looks like it is a a lip pencil. So yeah, Dirty Little Secret, and then this is the color. I don't really know how to, can you swatch these things? I don't know, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I think this should be a good representation, so yeah. Alright, so next is a little brush. It's from Aesthetica, and I do have a few things from Aesthetica. I know they sell like their products online, so I could probably find this online actually, see how much that's worth, but it's also probably on the card, so I don't need to do that. I don't know why I suggested that, but yeah, here's what here it is. It's pretty like, I don't know how to explain it, like stiff, but like, I don't know, it's just like a good brush. I'm not really sure what it's for. Maybe like lip stuff or like maybe really detailed eyebrow and like eyeshadow stuff. I don't know. You really could use brushes for anything, but like that's just my opinion. So yeah, this little brush from Aesthetica, pretty cool. And then we have this Galactic Beauty. So I think this packaging is really pretty. It's eyeliner in brown. So here it is. I think the packaging is super pretty, but I am not the biggest fan of brown eyeliner. Like, I don't think a lot of people are, to be honest, but I mean, to each their own. So yeah, this is what it's like. It's just like a little tip like that, and then you could just twist this and it goes up and down. So yeah, brown eyeliner is not something that I would necessarily go for myself, but yeah, if you like brown eyeliner, I think this would be pretty cool to have in your box. So it looks like that is all the things in here. Let me just dig through all of this confetti. Literally, it goes like, it fills up like this whole box. That's a lot of wasted paper. Not a fan. Yeah, that looks like that's everything. So let's go through the card and see what are the prices. So, the Dirty Little Secret Rosy Posy Lip Liner is $15. So, that's this. Galactic Precise Marker Eyeliner, $20. Whoa. That's this. It looks pretty tiny for $20, but it's okay. Bang Beauty highlighter. Oh, it's also a highlighter, so that's pretty cool. It says it only says blush. I don't see anything about highlighter in here, but I guess you could use it for highlighter if you wanted to, so that's pretty cool. Appeal Cosmetics Posh Holographic Lip Gloss is $21, so I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to like buying my beauty products from like Sephora and stuff. Maybe these prices are like all normal, but like I'm just like cheap, so I'm just like, whoa, $20 for this. And then vegan and cruelty free makeup brush, so I think that's good that it's vegan and cruelty free. So total box value is $93. Wow. Okay, so I got this box for just shipping, which is probably around like $6-7. I think it was like $7, because I remember thinking that's kind of a lot for shipping, to be honest, but I thought I think it was like, I don't remember how much it was guaranteed to have, but I think it was like a lot. And I was like, you know what, $7 just to try it out. It doesn't seem that bad. So I got in total 5 items for $7, 6 maybe. And I do think these are like good products, but like obviously with makeup subscription boxes, you might not actually get something that you are going to use or something that's to your preference, especially if you're like a picky person. Like I don't think like this color of blush is just like the right color of blush for me. But yeah, I think this is a pretty cool subscription box to just try out. But like for $30, I think that's like a lot of money for something for things that can be like hit or miss. Like, you know, the brush is good. I mean, the blush is like alright, but like, you know, the brush is good, the holographic lip gloss is good, and I'm sure I can use the lip pencil. So yeah, there's a few good things and like some misses, but that's just like my personal opinion. So yeah, if you want to go try out this box, I will leave it in the description below. It's usually $29, and it'll go cheaper if you like buy more boxes, like prepay that stuff. So yeah. So yeah, that is it for the Babe Box video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more subscription box videos, you should go check out my channel, because I do a lot of unboxings as well as fashion, beauty, other things, lifestyle, thrifting, all the jazz. So yeah, go subscribe to me, comment down below if you like this video, and like, and yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!